When you're holding the Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max in your left hand, the incoming call interface looks like this. But once you switch it over to your right hand, the call screen shifts to this layout instead. Now, the real question is, what happens if you grip the phone with both hands at the same time? Before you decide to buy the Mate 80 Pro Max, you definitely need to hear this. After spending a lot of time using it and gathering the most common questions, I've narrowed everything down into 6 key Q&As. Is it actually worth buying? Are the upgrades meaningful? This video will break it all down for you quickly. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Ever since Huawei announced the Mate 80 lineup's pricing, the internet has been buzzing. Some models dropped in price, others went up, and overall the strategy feels both familiar and surprisingly different. The signature star ring camera design is back, and the full metal body gives the phone a recognizable look, but with a fresh twist. Right now, the Mate 80 Pro Max is the only flagship that dares to go with a completely metal build. So why is Huawei able to pull off an all-metal design that most brands avoid? And what kind of difference does it make in terms of feel and texture? The back panel isn't like the metal finishes we're used to. Huawei used a very advanced micro-textured light painting process that gives the surface a dense, detailed texture. It increases grip, improves the tactile feel, and adds a bit of glass-like clarity. Look closely and you'll even spot a subtle Mate logo hidden in the panel. A tiny detail showcasing how much effort went into the craftsmanship. But the big question remains: how does Huawei keep strong signal performance with a metal body? Their solution is a brand new full metal architecture paired with upgraded antennas. The result is a 3 dB signal improvement over the iPhone 17 Pro. In our real-world test, both phones used the same SIM card to download a 1.3 gig TV episode. The Mate 80 Pro Max finished in 101 seconds, while the iPhone 17 Pro Max took 205 seconds. Even under tougher conditions, Huawei still came out ahead. This communication strength is what gives Huawei the confidence to push all-metal designs in the first place. Now let's talk about the specs. The Mate 80 Pro Max features an ultra-bright display with a molecular brightness of 8,000 nits. An impressive number, but to really understand it, you have to see it in action. We compared it to the previous generation in a completely dark room, both phones placed side by side with identical white wallpapers and brightness set to maximum manually. The Mate 80 Pro Max casts a noticeably brighter light on the wall. Switching to a different setup and shining the light onto a smaller object makes the brightness gap even clearer. Of course, low-light demos are just for reference. The real magic shows up under harsh outdoor lighting. At max manual brightness, the Mate 80 Pro Max remains far more readable than its predecessor and other flagship competitors. So now you have a better idea of just how powerful this ultra-bright screen is. It's not just bright, it also maintains wide viewing angles, making everything appear clearer and more transparent even in strong sunlight. Compared to typical single-layer screens, the dual-layer OLED isn't just a numbers upgrade, it's something you can genuinely feel every time the display lights up. And now the cameras. The Mate 80 Pro Max finally brings back the well-known dual telephoto setup. None of the 5 lenses are gimmicky, and overall, this generation sees the biggest hardware leap in recent Mate series models. 2 things really stood out to me. First, how consistently good the image quality is across all focal lengths. And second, how clean and natural the dual telephoto shots look, without the odd distortions you sometimes get from other phones. With 2 telephoto lenses maintaining strong image quality, you get a lot more freedom to compose your shots. The second generation red cover imaging system is another highlight. We recreated a tricky lighting environment similar to a bar, and the Mate 80 Pro Max handled subjects and objects with much better accuracy. It also maintains that accuracy across every focal length. Compare it to the iPhone 17 Pro Max in the exact same scene, and the difference is easy to spot. This upgraded imaging system helps in videos too. For example, when filming a white page in a book, Huawei reproduces the color much more accurately. Now imagine what it can do in nighttime photography or concerts. Anywhere with dramatic lighting and bold colors really shows off its strengths. With new cinematic effects and plenty of shooting modes, from focal length coverage to detailed color control, the Mate 80 Pro Max delivers in every area. Its camera system is truly back at a top-tier level. To start off, Xiao Yi has leveled up in a big way. It's now faster, smarter, and far more capable than before. For example, if you tell it, Xiao Yi, that tea I ordered from JD last time was really good, buy me another pack, it actually remembers, processes, and understands what you mean. With just one sentence, it handles the entire task like a real personal assistant. And it goes even further. If you open Xiao Yi Help and tap on step-by-step tutorial, you can record complicated actions, like repeatedly claiming coupons on a platform. Once it learns the process, all you need to say next time is, Xiao Yi Help, claim my JD coupons, and it will automatically carry out every step. Things that used to require multiple actions can now be done with a simple command. Based on this logic, you can imagine how many more things Help can take over in your daily routine. The new AI doesn't just handle complex tasks. It also takes care of the little details we often overlook. Take the AI-powered textured grip feature, for example. The incoming call interface automatically shifts to whichever hand you're holding the phone with. Even when you're using it one-handed, answering calls becomes much easier and more natural. It's not a complicated feature, but details like this genuinely elevate the experience. There's also a really fun addition called AI Magic Expressions. You know those moments when a photo has the perfect vibe, but your expression ruins it, yet you can't bring yourself to delete it? In that case, just tap Edit Photo, choose AI Retouching, and go into AI Magic Expressions. You can change your expression however you want. Smiling, laughing, eyes open, eyes closed, whatever fits the moment. Suddenly, bad expressions are no longer a reason to discard an otherwise great photo. Or you can go hands-free with voice editing. Just speak your changes, like brighten my face or switch the background to a beach, and it will edit the photo for you. Pretty cool, right? These AI tools are genuinely refreshing. Next, let's talk about the 80 series. Two-dimensional design and its debut of 700 MHz no network emergency communication. What's the real purpose of this feature? In simple terms, the 700 MHz band provides strong ground penetration, wide coverage, and long-distance reach. When normal signals are blocked, rescuers can set up temporary communication channels to quickly locate and contact users. It can even penetrate 3 walls and deliver communication across more than 13 kilometers. This is another major communication breakthrough for Huawei, following its Beidou satellite messaging and Tiantu satellite communication. And now, the entire Mate 80 series supports outdoor exploration mode. Once you turn it on, the phone enters a different operating environment. Opening a map will show nearby recommended routes, complete with details, photos, and even assessments of elevation changes and signal conditions, allowing you to understand the landscape in advance. Even without a network, you can share your location through the Huawei Connect app. In emergency situations, you get access to an offline outdoor rescue manual, a code-based flashlight mode, and an SOS option. The manual even includes survival skills guides. Outdoor mode also lets you activate extreme battery life mode, giving you up to 14 days of extended battery performance. Speaking of battery performance, the Mate 80 Pro Max packs a 6,000 mAh battery. In our 2-hour heavy usage test, it held up easily and still made it comfortably through the day. Privacy and security also see major improvements. The whole Mate 80 lineup supports 3D TOF, making payments both faster and safer. Anti-spy protection 2.0 is included as well. And if someone tries to peek at your phone while you're viewing sensitive content, it will trigger a warning. Encrypted sharing has been upgraded to version 2.02. When you send an encrypted file, the recipient can only open it with your authorization, and screenshotting or sharing is disabled. You can even set monthly permissions to prevent confidential files from leaking. Now, how about those cutting-edge technologies? HarmonyOS 6 currently offers more than 95% app compatibility and includes plenty of features you won't find on Android or iOS. For particularly niche apps, the Zhuoitong tool can ensure perfect compatibility. HarmonyOS 6 genuinely feels mature and smooth now. In a test of opening 20 apps back-to-back, it was noticeably faster than the previous version. Hardware improvements not only boost app launch speeds, but also enhance gaming, with significantly quicker load times compared to last generation. And thanks to a redesigned system-level cooling structure, heat is also better controlled. In our test of recording 30 minutes of high-quality video, the Mate 80 Pro Max managed its temperature better overall. Before wrapping up, let's answer a few quick questions. First, does it show 5G? It shows 5A. Second, What's that little opening on the side frame? It's for the silent call feature, preventing muffled audio. Third, how does Huawei's wireless charging area differ from Apple's? Huawei delivers 80-watt wireless charging in a smaller area, and if you want stronger magnetic attachment, you can use an accessory. The Mate 80 series really pushes boundaries with its powerful chipset, standard 3D TOF sensor, upgraded HarmonyOS imaging, ultra-bright display, and 700 MHz network-free emergency communication. The price drop across the entire lineup shows Huawei's commitment to expanding HarmonyOS 6. To sum it all up, the phone feels like the Huawei we know, but with a pricing strategy that feels completely new. This is arguably the most exciting and aggressively priced Mate upgrade yet. And honestly, if Huawei is ready to fight a price war, competitors will definitely need to bring something extraordinary to keep up. All right, that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.